Hi everyone, in this video I will show you the most relevant mode menu for GTA 5 at the moment. You can download it for free from our website, which by the way has recently been updated and has more than 600 programs, cheats and games. Everything is quite simple. Follow the link under this video, click the download button and you will download the archive in which the mode menu is located. For convenience, you can unpack the archive to a folder or to the desktop. We launch it and the mode menu loader opens. Select the functions that you need and start the game. Next you will see the gameplay with this mode menu. It's clear that the cheat works perfectly, as well as all programs on our website. It also can be used for GTA Online, and for today this is the most hidden mode menu. It has been working for more than 2 years without detect. Thank you all for watching. I will be very pleased if you like the video and subscribe to my channel.